In this video we're going to be going over how to remove the hand clutch in the Allis-Chalmers CA tractor. I will not be showing taking out every nut and bolt. It's a pretty straightforward, simple project. Just get your wrench out and start removing everything that is above the differential and the final drives. First thing I want you to think about is safety. This tractor is equipped with rear inner wheel weights, which means that the wheel simply has to come off with the wheel weight in place. And to be safe about it, you want to run your rim so that the wheel weight is centered inside that rim. That way when you go to take the wheel assembly off, the tire or wheel assembly is not going to want to flop to one side or the other. It's going to be a lot easier to handle. Just work from the top down. Another thing that you'll want to do is to clean up the ID of the brake drum so that you get all the rust out of there and it slides on the shaft freely. Coat the inside with anti-seize. Don't forget the keyway. Okay, we're going to put our key in that we got all lathered up in anti-seize. Make sure it's all the way down in place. It's going to make it a lot easier for it to go together. And you want that key all the way on the top. Now would be an excellent time to put your brake pans in before your brake drum gets in the way. Make sure you put it in the right way with the nut forward. And keep that baby spread open. And how I like to do this is, instead of putting the brake drum on the shaft first, I put the hand clutch on first, side first. That way I'm not trying to line up the splines. The only thing is have your keyway on the top, or as close to the top as you can. Okay. Lay that right on the top, like so. And now we're going to slide this baby into position. A little at a time. And as you go in, you're going to have to go down, unless you have this thing perfectly level. Okay. Looks like we gotta go down a little bit more. It's a little bit easier to do it this way because you can look right down and you can line up that shaft with the brake drum. Especially if you had a little light. Okay, we gotta go down a little bit. goes in. You just have to get the, here we are. And now it's just a matter of repeating the process of, reverse process of bolting everything back together. Okay, right there. Basically I'm adjusting the actuator out until the throwout bearing no longer is in contact with the clutch. All right. Once that's done, put your cap screw back in, tighten her down, and you're done. Be careful not to drop the bolt end. Otherwise, you know what's going to happen. If you drop that in there, you're going to have to take the final drive back off and to get it out. A lot of them have one bolt in there. I always put two, because sometimes they do tend to fall out. Make sure it's good and tight. To put the second one in, you have to have the handle back.